Educational Overview: How to register and leverage a CPN and EIN for business credit. This guide explores the step-by-step process of registering a CPN, credit privacy number, with the IRS, converting it to an EIN, employer identification number, and using these tools to build business credit. Designed for educational purposes only, the content emphasizes legitimate methods for establishing and utilizing credit while maintaining compliance with tax regulations. Step 1. Registering a CPN with the IRS. Visit the IRS website. Go to the IRS EIN application portal. Ensure all necessary information is ready to avoid session timeouts. Select business type. For personal CPN use, choose sole proprietor. If a sole proprietorship EIN has already been issued, proceed with partnership. Provide a reason for EIN request. Typical reasons include starting a new business or changing/creating a business name. Responsible party details. Enter the CPN or SSN as the responsible party identifier. Note: the IRS does not share CPN details with credit bureaus, ensuring profiles remain separate. Address and business name. Use a valid U.S. residential or virtual address. Enter the legal and trade names associated with your CPN. Finalize registration. Choose email or mail for receiving the EIN. Print and save all confirmation details for your records. Step 2. Leveraging the EIN for business credit. Establish business credit. Use the EIN to apply for business credit accounts and services. Focus on Net 30 accounts like Crown Office Supplies or Office Garner to start building credit. Obtain a DUNS number. Apply for a free DUNS number from Dun & Bradstreet or expedite the process for $200. Subscribe to Dun & Bradstreet services, $149 per month, to manually report up to 12 trade lines. Build credit scores. Add trade lines with vendors offering immediate credit, e.g., $2,000, $4,000 funding opportunities. Maintain consistent transactions to strengthen your business credit profile. Step 3. Developing and liquidating credit profiles. Enhance CPN credit. Build a personal credit score by adding authorized user trade lines to your CPN profile. Use trade lines with statement dates close to the present for faster reporting. Simultaneous growth. Develop both CPN and EIN credit profiles concurrently to maximize funding opportunities. Use EIN to secure business credit cards and loans while maintaining personal credit separately. Leverage mutual trade references. Collaborate with peers who have LLCs or sole proprietorships to report trade references. Exchange mutual transactions to strengthen credit profiles on Dun & Bradstreet. Step 4. Long-term business credit strategies. Net 30 accounts. Apply for additional Net 30 accounts to further expand your credit portfolio. Examples include Granger, Uline, and Quill. Focus on large-scale funding. While initial funding opportunities, $2,000, $4,000, are valuable, aim for long-term business liquidation strategies. Build creditworthiness to qualify for larger lines of credit and higher value loans. Utilize tools for trade line reporting. Engage in services like Dun & Bradstreet's subscription to manage and report credit activity effectively. Additional resources and upcoming methods. Educational topics in future videos. Liquidation strategies for CPN and EIN. Boosting credit with Care Credit, iPhone, and jewelry methods. Effective credit boosting techniques for personal and business credit. Stay updated. Like, comment, and subscribe to the YouTube channel for ongoing educational content. Important disclaimer. This content is for educational purposes only. Building and leveraging credit requires compliance with applicable laws and regulations. Always ensure that all actions are conducted legitimately and responsibly.